Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the single pole decorator wall light switch. If you're in the market for a reliable and stylish light switch, then this is the perfect option for you. First off, let's talk about the durable construction of this light switch. It's made from impact-resistant polycarbonate thermoplastic and solid steel, ensuring long-lasting durability. Plus, the shallow body design ensures it will fit any standard wall box, making installation a breeze. Speaking of installation, this switch is designed for easy installation with a narrower back body and captivated mounting screws. No need to stress about complicated installation processes. This switch has got you covered. Safety is always a top priority, which is why this switch is designed with a self-grounding clip for automatic connection in a properly grounded metal wall box. You can rest easy knowing that safety is built right into this switch. And let's not forget about the modern and stylish design. The decorative appearance of the on-off paddle rocker switches enhances the look of any room, whether it's in your home, office, or any public facility. Last but not least, you can purchase with confidence, knowing that Thunderwave provides a 3-year warranty for all types of light switches, ensuring worry-free operation for years to come. Plus, it's all listed, so you can trust that it meets industry standards for safety and performance. So, if you're ready to upgrade your light switches with a reliable, stylish, and safe option, then be sure to check out the link in the description to purchase the single pole decorator wall light switch. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate the look and functionality of your space. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.